little infomercial here. All right, so let's talk about why it is so important to trade with the trend, right? How can I optimize this so that I'm trading with the trend? So obviously, lower high, higher low, higher lows, higher lows. This is a 1 minute chart. Go to the different time frames, whatever you want. Now, we obviously have all this built up energy, built up, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We're getting stuck, we're getting stuck, we're getting stuck. But what are we doing? We're putting in higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. There's no reason to get short until what? Until we put in lower highs. Lower highs. That's what I want to be seeing. If I'm looking to get short, I want to see lower highs. There's no reason to get short because, again, guess what? Even if I'm like, oh my God, it's breaking the downside, there's probably going to be another chance where it puts in another lower high. Like, you're looking for these lower highs to minimize risk and also be with the trend. I'm working with the trend because bang, bang, bang. Lower high, lower high, lower high. I'm shorting that. When the market is doing what? When it's making higher lows, I'm going with it. I'm looking for breakouts because those higher lows are telling me that the market's pushing up there in that direction. On this move right here, we did have this kind of trend. But again, 1 minute chart, right? You can't just get fucking short the first time we break through a 1 minute line, a 1 minute little trend line. You're going to get chopped and blown up too many times to even count. So we break through these two, candle low, candle low, candle low, candle low. And then again, what do? We protect. We had the higher low again. It gets really fucking tight. That move from the 25s up there to the 35s, and then it's pushing higher. Why get short? Why? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to win? You trying to win a fucking participation award? You care? You want to tell everybody later and be like, yeah, hey everybody, guess what? I got short right there, man. I'm a fucking genius. Look at it, it pulled back to right there. I'm fucking genius. No, you want to make money. We're here to make money. We're not here to be right or be wrong or be a hero. So you have that double top there. We're putting in the 5 minute candles, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We dip below the low of this candle. We get right back up there. That is a sign. That is a sign that all the retards that got short for this trend line break, they're going to get stopped out as soon as we get above this high. We get above the high at the 525s. We're up there to the 540s. I did take a very small little pullback trade here on this setup just to lock in a little bit more profit. We're up $1,300 on the day. I'm staying consistent here with these trades. But when I see these types of setups, I'm not getting fucking short up at these levels. Again, the market doesn't care if it's at what level it's at. The market doesn't care that you think it's resistance. The market loves to trap. It loves to make what you think is going to happen do the opposite. Why? Why is that? Why do 90% of day traders lose? Why is it that 90% of day traders fucking lose, chat? Why? Does anybody know? Because they're all thinking the same exact fucking way, right? They're thinking the same fucking way. Everybody's like, hey, look at guys. We're at resistance. It's got to be a short, right? It's got to be a short because we're at the resistance. We're at we're at resistance here. It's got to be a short. It's too simple. That's just it's just built to trap you. If everybody thinks that there's an obvious fucking resistance level that we're going to go down, what's it going to do? It's going to blow through this fucking level and then come back down once everybody has been stopped out. And look, yes, it's pulling back. Remember, the market ain't ever going straight to the fucking moon. It's going to pull back. It's going to pop. It's going to drop. But guess what? What have we not had? We have not had a lower high. We had double top there. But those lower highs. So now it's like, hey, I want to get short. Okay, get short. Once we do what? Once we put in that lower high. Let the market put in the high, put in a lower high, and then look for that bear flag. This could play out, right? If this little candle gets up into here and then sets up for a bear flag, yeah. Then you could target that 500 level like Ruben wanted. Because guess what? Well, everybody got stopped out, right? All the dumb money got stopped out here on this small little breakout. And then now we can move down. And David Mendez said, still not selling here. I agree. I don't like to just look for little overall moves. I'm looking for the bigger moves. If you look at the bigger time frames, this is just a perfect spot to like chop around. But again, what do? We broke through those highs. I think you really gotta you gotta tell yourself before you enter the trade, right? Where are you gonna enter the trade at? You're gonna wait for something to happen, like in terms of there being a break through a level, some type of trap. I want to see that bigger time frame trap. I want to see a wick somewhere. I want to see levels getting taken out. And look, boom, we pull right back here now. I think this is a perfect example of showing you, like if you're looking for the short, you're really waiting. You know, you're waiting for that trap to the upside, and then you're looking for that short. Look at this thing dumping right back down now. Again, it is what it is. PW, where are you setting your stops? I mean, if I'm long here for the breakout, right, if I'm looking for a breakout through here, my stop's got to basically be like the low of that candle. All right, that's the low of that candle there. Ding, ding, ding. And also at this time of day, when the market's not giving us big consolidation, it's not really moving, I'm taking just quick little profits. I'm just getting those little, you know, just a little bit more money in my bank. A little bit more money in the bank. We broke out here. I had a little bit of a pullback. Bang, I'm in, I'm out. 5 points. It adds up. We're up 1,300 on the day. And we're currently number one in the 100K accounts on funding ticks. So you can hate me, you can love me, but you cannot deny the fact that I'm doing it, right? I'm doing it, Chad. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Yeah, no, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it here. It's 11 o'clock now, by the way. That was a 10:50. Perfect little time there at the 10:50. Now it's going to pop around, chop around some more, and do some more stuff. But we're locking down the profit here today. And I think we're almost at a point where I hate this. I don't hate it, but like I hate this moment in time because it's a scary place to be, right? It's a scary place to be when you're here. When you're right here, man, you're like, fuck. I'm green today, so we got one more day. We got one more day to be fucking, you know, we got one more day, man. We got one more fucking day. I mean, maybe we went 30 days, right? We went 30 days. Fuck yeah, I went 30 days. Not really 30 days. 20 days. I'm bad at math. I forgot about the weekends. I work on the weekend, even if the market's closed, all right? Total number of days, 22 days. Total trades taken, 276. And the results speak for themselves. The green, the green, the green. And again, guys, this right here, this is the truth. If you're watching this stream right now, I want you to forget about all the bullshit, all the fucking idiots on the internet with internet-connected computers and the $1 million payouts and all the bullshit. I want you to forget about all of it, right? Forget about it. I want you to look at this right here. This right here is the truth. 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 5,000, 2,000, 3,000 so far. Look at that. It adds up. It just adds up. It adds up, guys. So many people, they go chasing. They're trying to get that $5,000 a day. And you ain't going to get there. You're going to blow it. You ain't going to make the money. The truth is right here. The truth is this. This is the fucking truth. The bing, the bing, the bing, the bing, the bing, the bing, bing, bing. Like a goddamn fucking beautiful thing, man. Keep pushing. Let the market keep pushing. The truth. Do it like that. Do it like that. There it is. That was my truth of the day. Don't be that guy. And look what happened. We pulled right back. We took out this low. Here's your higher low, higher high possibly. The only problem is, well, we got this little pivot point. We got this VWAP there as support. So we got support. We got the opening range high there. But there's that exact theory that we just talked about, right? Here's that lower high. So if you want to get short, you could get short here with your stop above this higher low. And at least you have a pretty good idea of what, you know, your risk is on that trade. That's a pretty good idea. Like, okay, if I'm short here from the 520s, I'm risking off 526s. Looks like great. Looks like great. Right? Right.